Welcome to Story Nest. My name is Jack. I am your host. Do you want to learn English from home but don't know where to start? Don't worry. You are not alone. Many people want to speak English confidently, but they feel shy, confused, or scared of making mistakes. The good news is that you don't need a classroom, expensive courses, or a tutor to learn English. You can start right from your home with simple daily steps. First, change your mindset. Tell yourself that learning English is possible for you. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning. Even native speakers make mistakes. What matters is practice and consistency. Start with small habits. Spend at least 20 minutes every day with English. You can begin by learning 5 new words daily. Write them in a notebook, learn their meanings, and make simple sentences with them. This will slowly improve your vocabulary. Next, focus on listening. Watch English cartoons, short videos, or simple English stories on YouTube. Listen carefully to how words are pronounced. Try to repeat the sentences after the speaker. This will improve your pronunciation and confidence. Reading is also very important. Read short English stories, children's books, or simple articles. Reading helps you understand sentence structure and grammar naturally. When you read daily, your mind starts thinking in English. Now comes the most important part, speaking. Speak English every day, even if you are alone. Talk to yourself in English about your daily routine. For example, say, "I am making tea," or "I am going to the market." This may feel strange at first, but it is a powerful way to build fluency. You can also use your mobile phone to record your voice while speaking English. Listen to it and notice your mistakes. Try to improve each day. This practice will make you more confident. Do not try to learn everything at once. Focus on simple sentences first. Learn basic grammar like tenses, but don't stress too much. Practice is more important than perfection. Remember, learning English is a journey. Be patient with yourself. If you practice daily, you will see improvement in a few weeks. From today, take the first step. Your home can be the best place to learn English.